How to track and engage leads using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So right now we are in Sales Nav, and to track leads and what they do, I can go to the leads section of Sales Navigator. This is where you have your different list of prospects that you've built. So here I will just go to this list of recently accepted connections, which is a no-tool list that is built by Sales Navigator. And from there, I can track the activity of my leads. So here are my recent connections. I can see the ones who've changed jobs in the past 90 days. Like I can see that 48 of them posted on LinkedIn in the past 30 days. But as you can see, it's pretty odd to really track and engage the leads, right? So in that case, when it comes to tracking and engaging your leads, you should go back to the home section of Sales Navigator. And you see from there, you have like a complete feed of all your leads. So it's not the leads that are coming from LinkedIn, but only the feed of the leads you care about. And so from there, you can filter that from the account list you've created inside Sales Nav, but also from the leads list that you've created in Sales Navigator. So here I'm just going to click on the leads hand side, and within leads I can have like different filters for career change, lead news, and the what my leads have shared. And so from there, I just have to go there. I just scroll the feed. I can track the activity of LinkedIn of my leads on my Sales Nav lead, and from there, with just one click, by clicking on view, I can see, okay, AD House shared a post on LinkedIn, and I can just click on view, and right there it will open me the post, and from there I can engage with my prospects. So this is pretty much in a nutshell how you can track and engage leads using Sales Navigator. But stick with me right now, because I have a better way to show you how you can engage and track leads, but not without using Sales Navigator. All right, guys. So this is breakcold. It's my sales CRM, so it's absolutely a shameless plug here. But essentially, it's a way to track and engage leads much faster than using Sales Navigator. And so, using your Sales Navigator leads, you can import them through our Chrome extension, or with a CSV file, or through automation like Zapier or Make. And so from there, you can really create curated LinkedIn feeds of your prospect. And so, as you can see right now, I have only the people in my CRM right there. And so I can engage, liking, and commenting the post. If I have my virtual assistant or my sales rep working for me, they can engage on my behalf, and I can quickly change with which account I want to engage. And the cool thing about this is, because it's integrated in the sales CRM, because Brackle is first a sales CRM, and with LinkedIn integrations, you can say, okay, I just want to focus on the LinkedIn posts of the people who are in my partnerships list. And so from there, you just engage with that post. And within each list of the CRM, you obviously have a sales pipeline with different sales pipeline stages. And so that's where you can say, okay, I just want to focus for the next 20 minutes with my leads, with the people who are interested in my offer. And so that way you can be super powerful, because you can just book like time blocks where you can say, okay, for 20 minutes straight, I will just engage like crazy with all my leads for the next 20 minutes to stay top of mind. It sounds very like almost BS. But trust me, there's so many stories where people, they feel bad because you engage with them. You send them a LinkedIn message, they ghosted you, but because you engage with them, they feel bad that they never get back to you, and so psychologically to just get back to you, and you will get replies faster because of that, and it unlocked deals for my business, but also for our customers, just by doing that. And so that's where you can super easily track the LinkedIn post of your leads, but also like engaging with them in one place. And then you can focus individually on the leads and like engaging with all the past posts. And there's many other things you can do, like going inside the LinkedIn inbox, and and from there, like just engaging firstly with the lead, and as you chat with the leads, you can engage with the post. And so it's just a way to be like super productive, because it's a sales CRM where like you can have auto sync of email conversations, LinkedIn conversations, LinkedIn activities, Telegram, WhatsApp, and many other things. So that's it for me. That's why how to use Sales Now, but also breakcold. Cheers. Bye, guys.